Hello, and welcome to Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Kelly Walsh and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Wisconsin recently enacted a statewide standing order that enhances pharmacists' ability to provide naloxone to patients at high risk for opioid overdose. Wisconsin now joins a handful of states that have implemented similar naloxone programs to allow pharmacists to dispense this life-saving medication without a prescription. Pharmacists can expect to see this trend expand across the United States as additional advocacy efforts come to fruition. Michigan is pursuing legislation to give explicit authority to the state's chief medical executive to issue a statewide standing order allowing pharmacists to dispense naloxone without a prescription order, while Texas already has such a program in place. Speaking of opioids, the FDA is adding its strongest possible warnings to the drug labeling of prescription opioid pain medications, opioid cough medicines, and benzodiazepines concerning serious adverse events seen with concomitant use. According to the FDA, combining opioids with benzodiazepines or other drugs that depress the central nervous system can cause life-threatening adverse events such as slowed or difficulty breathing and death. The FDA advises healthcare professionals against prescribing combinations of these medications unless adequate alternative treatment options are unavailable, in which case prescribing should be limited to doses and durations of each drug to the minimum possible. Patients and caregivers should be warned about the drug's risks and seek immediate medical attention if they experience unusual dizziness or lightheadedness, extreme sleepiness, slowed or difficulty breathing, or unresponsiveness while taking these medications. On a lighter note, customer satisfaction with brick-and-mortar and mail-order pharmacies has improved across the board in the past year, according to J.D. Power's 2016 U.S. Pharmacy Study. Chain drugstores' overall customer satisfaction scores improved compared to last year's study, with Health Mart scoring slightly higher than Good Neighbor Pharmacy to rank highest overall among brick-and-mortar chain drugstores. Meanwhile, in mass merchandiser pharmacy category, Sam's Club's nabbed the top spot, though it was closely followed by Costco. Publix earned the highest score overall in the survey, as well as among supermarket pharmacies, where it was followed by Wegmans. Pharmacists may be continuing to receive questions about plaque psoriasis as Celgene's Show More of You campaign that we featured last week is competing for airwaves with Novartis's See Me campaign. Novartis's ad features actual patients voicing their plea to see them and know that their condition isn't contagious. They're regular people attending ball games, checking groceries, and teaching school children who are using Cosentyx to find a clear path forward. Patients with plaque psoriasis also have a new treatment option from Novartis, since the FDA just approved the company's biosimilar to Enbrel for multiple inflammatory diseases. Erelzi is administered by injection to treat moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and plaque psoriasis, among other similar conditions. Healthcare providers should review the prescribing information in the labeling for detailed information about the approved uses. The drug should not be administered to patients with sepsis. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Kelly Walsh at the Pharmacy Times News Network.